Hey guys, welcome back. So today we got 2021 G80 with a 3.5 twin turbo. So today we're just gonna be replacing our bypass valve, or they call it an recirculation valve on our turbo side. So as you can see there, I'm just gonna zoom in that component there. So we're gonna replace that. I got a code for a mechanical issue, they said in the code description, for a bypass valve. So we're gonna start removing our thing. This is just straightforward removal. I think I can see there's two bolts holding it, or maybe three, I'm not sure yet. For sure we're gonna remove this bar and our airbox, and we'll see from there. So our airbox and the bar is out now, so I'm just gonna remove this connector here. So while you're in here too, just make sure your pins are good. Alright, just visually check it. And then we're gonna start removing, I think. Let me see. So they have three bolts that's holding that bypass valve. There's one at the very bottom one, and as you can see there on top, there's two. So let's remove that. Okay. So this is our valve, or we call it recirculation valve. And then let's compare with the new one. I don't know if what's going on with this one. Looks like it's moving. Maybe we can also try supply power and ground and see what's going on. Because I checked our scan tool, there's no bi-directional control there for our specific component. So let me grab our new part and see. So we got our new part. There's a new part here. Looks like. just like this one, it's like different in sound. This is our new one. So I guess I'm just gonna put everything back together and see and test drive the vehicle. So that's it, guys. That's pretty straightforward on replacing that bypass valve on our bank one. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time. Thank you for watching.